Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials with the Tupperware Thatsa Mega Bowl, a vibrant bright orange mixing bowl with a generous 42-cup or 10-liter capacity. This versatile bowl measures 12 inches in diameter and 7 inches deep, making it perfect for preparing large batch salads, snacks, or even popcorn for movie nights. Its airtight and liquid-tight seal ensures that your ingredients stay fresh and secure, and it's also perfect for brining a turkey, adding convenience to your holiday preparations. Made from BPA-free materials, this bowl is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze after your culinary adventures. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this mixing bowl is designed to meet your needs with style and functionality. So, if you're looking to upgrade your kitchenware, the Tupperware Thatsa Mega Bowl is a fantastic choice for any cooking enthusiast. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.